experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Kia Picanto's infotainment system. First, try a simple reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, check the infotainment fuse, typically 10A or 15/8 in the engine bay fuse box. For black screens, inspect the HDMI cable connection to the display. No sound can sometimes be fixed with a software update from Kia addressing audio driver issues. If these quick fixes fail, consider a power cycle by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. Remember safety first. Avoid driving while troubleshooting electrical problems. If issues persist, it's time to see a professional to prevent more serious electrical faults. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may lie in hardware or deeper software conflicts. Kia certified technicians report that 60 to 70% of infotainment problems are software related, fixable with updates, while 30% are hardware failures needing module replacements. Use the Kia Access app for remote resets and diagnostics. Over-the-air software updates and dealer recalls are ongoing solutions, improving system stability and battery management, preventing issues like boot loops. The future trends lean towards cloud-integrated and AI-driven platforms, reducing standalone failures through remote fixes and modular designs for easier replacements. In newer Picanto models, this means greater reliability and biometric interfaces. However, older systems will still receive legacy support, so ensure your system is up to date to prevent issues.